Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on TikTok. So in here, I've already on my TikTok app and I'm going to start recording a video. You can click on the plus icon to start opening the TikTok camera. Okay, I'm going to record a video. Hey guys, so this is how you can change your voice on TikTok. You can click on a check icon. And now here on the right panel, you can just find the voice options in here. Click on the voice option. And now you can change your voice easily using this voice filter. Let's try the teenager.
Hey guys, so this is how you can change your voice on TikTok.
Megaphone.
Hey guys, so this is how you can change your voice on TikTok.
Let's try Elf.
How you can change your voice on TikTok.
So you can just choose which one that you want to. For example, I'm going to just use this Elf. You can click on the Elf, click on save, and just like that, your voice will be changed on the TikTok video. You can just click on next and then upload your video. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.